In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze panes in LibreOffice Calc. If you've ever scrolled through a spreadsheet and noticed that the top row or the first column stays locked in place, that means panes are frozen. Freezing can be handy for keeping headers visible, but when you no longer need it, unfreezing restores a full, smooth scroll across your data. I'll walk you through how to do that clearly and confidently. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. You can open an existing spreadsheet where panes are currently frozen, or create a new one if you just want to follow along. Either way, you'll be working in the main Calc window with your grid of cells visible. A quick way to confirm that panes are frozen is to look for a slightly thicker line between rows or columns and try scrolling. If the first row or first column doesn't move, or part of the sheet stays pinned while the rest scrolls, that's a frozen pane. Don't worry. Unfreezing is simply a matter of toggling the same command that was used to freeze them in the first place. Go to the menu bar at the top of the window and click View. This is where Calc keeps display-related options. In that menu, look for the item labeled Freeze Rows and Columns. If panes are currently frozen, this option will typically appear selected or checked. Click it once. That single click toggles the setting off, immediately unfreezing the panes. You'll know it worked if the thicker dividing line disappears and the previously locked row or column now scrolls with the rest of the sheet. Try scrolling vertically and horizontally to confirm everything moves freely. If you're working with a wide dataset, it can help to scroll a bit farther than usual just to make sure nothing remains fixed. A helpful note here, you don't need to select any specific cell to unfreeze. Unlike freezing, where the active cell can determine what stays locked, unfreezing is global and doesn't depend on where your cursor is. Just use the View menu toggle and you're done. If you see multiple freeze-related options in your version of Calc, choose the General Freeze Rows and Columns entry to remove the lock in one step. Remember, unfreezing is always the reverse of freezing, and it's accessed from the same place. That's all there is to it. Launch Calc, open your file, go to View, and toggle Freeze Rows and Columns to unfreeze panes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate your spreadsheets more comfortably.